Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been some time, but I am back to show you guys the brand new CURLSMITH Shine Recipe line. Two things that are very special about this line that I just have to say right away is it adds so much shine to your hair with zero silicones, and they're actually fragrance free. So for those of you who struggle a little bit with your scalp, fragrance-free products are also better options just because they're less harsh and they can help you achieve your hair goals without giving you that extra itch and irritation that sometimes fragrances can cause. The line is also dermatologically tested, and I love that for my scalp and for my hair because it just gives me extra reassurance that it's gonna do what needs to be done without, like I said before, irritating or just giving me that extra itch on my scalp. So basically in this video, I'm just gonna go through every product that I use to achieve these beautiful shiny curls. I don't even have to go up close to the camera for you to see that shine, and I'm very impressed with the products. I think my hair is gonna last me pretty long, and they definitely did what they said that they would do. And honestly, I feel the difference having fragrance-free products and products that are actually dermatologically tested. I definitely felt the difference on my scalp. In the video, you're gonna see how my scalp was super irritated. It was dry. It had a bunch of buildup, and the shampoo took that all away. It soothed my scalp, and it left my scalp feeling super clean, and I haven't touched my scalp not once to scratch it or to pick at it or anything. I've been super happy with the results so far. As you can see, the definition is definitely on point as well. My hair is still fluffy, it's light, and it feels weightless, to be honest. Like I said, I'm super happy with the results. The products definitely did what they said that they were gonna do. So without further ado, I'm going to get into the video and just run through the products with you guys, show you guys how I use them and worked best for me. So as you can see, I'm starting off with super dull, super dry, tangled, matted hair. With the blonde, I find that my hair is drier. It's a lot duller than it was when my hair was virgin. In this clip, I'm showing how irritated and all the buildup that was on my scalp. It was really, really bad. So I'm starting off with the fragrance-free shampoo. This shampoo has ingredients like lemon peel, jasmine, and hops. This is all gonna get rid of that buildup and all that dirt that's in my scalp. Everything that I just need to get rid of to create lighter hair and shinier hair, which this shampoo ultimately does for me, while gently cleaning my hair and making sure everything that needs to be removed is removed. I definitely appreciate it being fragrance-free, color-safe, and free of any harsh ingredients that might harm my scalp, my hair, and even the color to my hair. Next, I'm just going to deep condition with the Hydro Creme Soothing Mask. As you guys saw, my hair needs some major conditioning, and this is one of my favorite deep conditioners of all time. So as a base for my hair, I'm going to use the fragrance-free Shine Cream. It's a leave-in conditioner infused with Bobasu, Marmuru, I hope I'm saying that right, castor and jojoba oil, a blend of ingredients that are just going to bring so much shine to my hair while keeping it lightweight. So I just rake it in, and then I'm going to go over with a brush to make sure everything is distributed evenly. Next, I'm going in with the fragrance-free Shine Gel. This is a strong hold gel. It's a level 9 hold. As you can see, the texture is kind of thick, so you want to make sure you emulsify it as much as you can before applying it to your hair. And this also has lemon peel, jasmine, and hops, just like the shampoo has, to give your hair a long-lasting and strong hold, and of course, a bunch of shine with it. So I'm just going to rake it through, and then I do the praying hands method, and then I go in with the brush again to make sure everything is distributed evenly. This time with the brush, I do it in small sections to make sure that the product is spread throughout my hair and each curl is going to be defined how I want it to be defined. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the fragrance-free Shine Jelly. This is a flexible hold. It's a level 6 hold, and you can see in the texture it's much more slippery than the level 9 hold. And with this, I'm just going to scrunch it in, and this also has the ingredients of similar to the other products that are just going to add so much shine to your hair and give your hair a hold at the same time. You can see all the definition and all the shine already in my hair, so I'm just going to go ahead and diffuse and I'll be back. I didn't really have a cast, but I'm just going to go in with the bonding oil and break any cast there is and fluff out my curls. I'm more than happy with my results. I see so much shine in my hair and I definitely see a difference. I feel the difference in my scalp as well. My scalp feels so nourished and clean, and I have no itch in my scalp, and I'm just really grateful for that because usually I do. So the fragrance-free products definitely made a difference for me, and of course my hair is shiny as ever. As always, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys learned a little bit about my hair too. And if you have the same hair struggles, then these products probably are gonna be great for you as they worked great for me. So if you have any questions, you can always comment down below or message me on Instagram at CatsCurls. I'm also a hairstylist and my other page is Curls by Cat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching.